Hi guys! Welcome to my mini vlog! Okay, so ito na yung one of mga nakastock na videos natin, no? This past few weeks were so challenging for us, but carry lang, nakakaraos din. So this is the mini clothes organizer for Arlo na nabili ko sa Shopee. Naka-flash deals to, so medyo nakatipid-tipid tayo. And matagal ko na to siyang nabili, guys. Ngayon ko lang na-edit itong unboxing video. This is one of his remembrance from his cash gift when he celebrated his birthday and binyag from his very generous ninangs, relatives na nag-share ng kanilang mga blessings. So as much as possible, we make sure na we save it or we buy something for him na something he needs, and this is one of it kasi nakikishare lang si Arlo ng drawer from my Orocan. There are 4. One of it is his. Nagsisiksikan lang yung mga gamit niya doon, hindi na magkasya. So kailangan niya talaga to. Sabi nga ni tatay niya, it's too small daw. Bakit hindi bumili ng malaki? Kasi magagamit din in the future, no? Mga long term na na gamitan. For me naman, I do consider our space right now kasi ayoko talaga na we do have 2 Orocans already. So for me, pag bibili pa ako ng isa, it's same size to masakit na sa mata. The space will be crowded, masakit sa ulo. Kasi ako, gusto ko as much as possible, minimal lang. And parang may makikita pa akong space, hindi crowded. Alam mo yun, nakakasakit kasi sa ulo. So what I like about it is it's easy to assemble. And may five layers na ito, guys. So all good naman for me. Magagamit rin naman to in the future. Kahit ano lang ilagay mo dyan na mga gusto mong i-organize. I'm sure magagamit rin to, no? May wheels din to siya, guys. So if you are a mom na mahilig mag-rearrange ng mga gamit from time to time, so it's perfect for you kasi hindi mo na siya kailangang i-lift, itulak-tulak mo lang siya sa kung saang space mo siya gustong ilagay. And also, what I love about this is the design. Very kid-friendly siya. Giraffe, basta ang ganda lang niya. Actually, na-attract si Arlo sa kanyang design. And this is the actual pic. So, if you're interested, link on the comment section below. Bye!